All right, we have a 2021 Hyundai Sonata. We want to go ahead and add a remote and key to it. So it's a blade key. Control unit, immobilizer, remote control learning, key learning, ignition is already on. Clicked OK. Programming succeeded. We're going to take this one out. And this is the next one that we want to program. Let's put that inside. Turn it on. Okay. Programming success. Take that out. And this is the third key that we want to program. Perfect. That's all of them. That's not good. Let's see what's going on. Does it start? Okay, well that one starts and wasn't programmed before. So let's just go back and see how many keys are in the system. Let's turn the ignition on. There should now be 3 keys. Number of learned keys, 3. Okay, so now what we want to go ahead and do is we want to learn the remotes. Because currently you'll see this remote doesn't work. But this remote, as you hear, it does work. So let's go to control unit. We're going to have to learn all the remotes again. Remote control learning. Turn the ignition on, then turn it off. And let's say okay. Perfect. Hit that one time. Programming succeeded. Do we want to learn the next one? Yes, because you have to learn them all at the same time. Otherwise, they will not work. There you go. So that is 2 remotes. That is all we want to learn. So now 3 keys should be working this vehicle, and there should be 2 remotes. So that's key number 1. Starts the car. Key number 2 starts the car, and happens to be you can't read the pin on every single vehicle. This vehicle we were not able to pull the pin code from the vehicle, so we had to get it from NASDAQ. That's 3 that work, and this is 2 remotes now work in the car. Remote number 1, as you can see, and remote number 2. All right, thank you very much for watching. 2021 Hyundai Sonata.